Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well. Guys, this is my 36th video and I'm enthralled by the support you have provided in sharing my videos more widely. I would also like to thank you for all the valuable comments that you all have been providing, which is really helping me to understand the topics you are finding useful. Now, today's video is about the importance of communication skills in today's world. In this video, I am taking an effort to make a series of related videos where I'll be sharing with you the different aspects related to communication. This is because I think there is really so much to do with communication that I feel it's better if I could try and not only simplify the importance but also make it more easy to be implemented. And as always, I would really love to look forward to see your comments and likes and request you to continue share it further if you really think that it will be useful for someone. Let me start with asking you a question that you can think for yourself. Have you ever imagined of all the beings in this planet why humans continue to evolve while many other species have already gone for extinction? The usual answer that we get is humans have been gifted with brains which are more powerful than what other creatures have. Then the other answer to this is science. Yes, this is true, but let's take this a little beyond to try and relate to our topic. Now think, had the evolution been possible if there was no communication involved? Had there been a similar state where we are in today if there was no communication? Now for that matter, had we been able to achieve our independence if there was no communication from our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad and other similar leaders? This would also not have been possible unless we had great poets like Rabindranath Tagore. Now let's talk about the recent example. Do we really think a country like India with a population of 1.3 billion would have been able to observe the lockdown unless a prime minister and chief ministers had strong communication skills? The answer is a straight no. Do not misinterpret communication skills as the speaking abilities only. As I mentioned earlier, in this series of videos, I'll try and break it down to different aspects of communication and how to improvise on each of them. For this video, I wanted to stress on what is communication and why communication skills are so important, and more specifically to do with the globalization way of doing business. So let's now understand what is communication first, and then we will try and decode why it is very important. Communication is a process, simply means sharing a message which can be understood by the recipient. This is very important to get this right. Let me repeat, communication is a process of sharing a message which can be understood by the recipients. The reason I stressed on this is for you to understand if the recipient was not able to understand what the communication has showed, then there is no value in communication. Imagine if I speak to you in a language which you do not know. Therefore, please remember, to communicate well is to understand and to be understood. Communication can be broadly classified into three main categories: verbal communication, written communication, and non-verbal communication. What is verbal communication? This is a way of communication by the use of different words in a language. This is the most obvious way of communication and is an oral form of communication. For example, speaking to anyone at home, school, or office, etc. Similarly, written communication is a way of communicating through writing. It can be physically handwritten or electronically written in form. This form of communication is considered to be more impactful and serves as an evidence to something that has been communicated. Now let's understand non-verbal communication. Now before I say how important non-verbal communication is in the present era, I would like you to take a guess on how much percentage of the messaging happens through non-verbal communication. It is 93%. Yes, 93% of the physical communication is non-verbal in nature. What is non-verbal communication? This form of communication refers to eye contact, facial expression, body language, and gestures that a person uses in his or her communication. Do you remember when our parents or elders expressing through eyes to scare us? Now that we know the different types of communication, let's delve a bit around how important a communication is. It goes without saying, most of the work in this world happen and can only happen with communication. It is communication that is very basis in the field of education. When a teacher tries to teach a student, it is communication that plays a pivotal role. When CEO runs a business, as they have to manage and get things clear by the help of others, and take it for any profession, it's the most important skill to have both at your personal and professional life. So that's about communication and the importance of communication skills in today's world. So in my next video, I'll be talking about how to improve all the three forms of communication, that is verbal communication, written and non-verbal communication. So stay tuned for my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all soon next time in my next video.